Hi, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I'm posting the trading ideas on cryptocurrency, stocks, forex and on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. First of all, I would like to say extremely sorry for not to posting my trading ideas since last 4 or 5 days because I was really very busy in my trading charts working, but during these days I have really missed many successful trading charts to post here. I'm really very sorry for that. I'll definitely try to post my every strong chart here on my channel next time, inshallah. First, let's have a look on my previous charts, which I have just missed to post here after my previous ZRX or AUX chart, which I posted I think on 29th of September. Then I'll take you to my current charts of PHB or Farmer PHX and then MATIC chart. Okay, after this ZRX chart, I posted this AION Bitcoin chart on 1st of October. And on this chart, you can see the price action was forming a bullish cipher, and I predicted that after entering in this potential reversal zone, the price action will take the bullish divergence and hit this sell zone. So let's play the chart. And here you can see the price action took a very huge, very powerful bullish divergence and produced very huge and good profit. Okay, after that I posted this BCHABC Bitcoin chart where the price action was forming a bullish shark pattern. After when the A to B leg retraced between 0.382 to 618 Fibonacci and B to C leg was retraced up to almost 1.13 Fibonacci, I predicted that the C to D leg will be retraced as required for the shark leg, and now I'm playing the idea. Then you can see the price action completed the shark leg between 0.886 to 1.13 Fibonacci and took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. Okay, after that I have posted this next chart, and the next chart was, let's come to the page 1, and I posted this LITECOIN chart on 1st of October, and on this chart you can see the price action was even formed a complete garlic pattern, and now I'm playing the idea. Then you can see the price action took the bullish divergence, a very powerful bullish divergence, and hit the sell zone, even more than the sell zone. After this LITECOIN idea, I posted this XMR Bitcoin chart, and on this chart you can see the price action was moving within a falling wedge, and I predicted that the price action will hit this sell zone. So far the price action is moving up, it is gearing up, and soon it will hit the sell zone. So this trade is in process. You can also follow this chart. Now let's move to my next chart, and after that I posted this MATIC chart, but I'll take you to this MATIC chart after my all other previous charts because this chart is already in process and I want to explain this chart after all these charts. So then I posted this XRP Bitcoin chart on 2-hour period, and on this chart you can see the price action was forming a bullish band and entered in the potential reversal zone. Now I'm playing the chart, and you can see the price action took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone and produced a very good profit. And after this XRP or Ripple chart, I posted the XRP US dollar chart, and on this chart the price action has formed a bullish crab pattern, and now I'm playing the idea. Then you can see the price action took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. And after this I posted this Bitcoin US dollar chart, the Bitcoin chart on 2 hours time period, and on this chart you can see the price action formed a bullish bad pattern and just hit a spike within the potential reversal zone. Now I'm playing the idea, then you can see the price action completely entered in the potential reversal zone again here and took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone almost up to 0.618 Fibonacci. And after this Bitcoin chart, I posted this Ethereum US dollar chart on 4th of October, and on this chart you can see this is 2-hour time period chart, and on this chart the price action formed a bullish band and entered in the potential reversal. Now I'm playing the idea, then we can see the price action took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. And after this Ethereum US dollar chart, I've posted this EOS US dollar chart, and on this chart the price action formed a bullish guarded pattern, and on this pattern you can see the price action just hit the spike in the potential reversal zone. Now I'm playing the idea, then you can see the price action took the bullish divergence, a very powerful bullish divergence, and hit the sell zone. And after this chart I have posted another BINANCE COIN US dollar chart, and on this chart the price action was forming a bullish bad pattern. Even the price action had hit a spike in the potential reversal zone, and now I am playing the idea, then you can see the price action took the bullish divergence and give another chance to catch it from the potential reversal zone and took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. After this BNB USDT chart, I have posted another chart of XLM, the stellar US dollar chart, and this chart was also based on 2-hour time period. And on this chart you can see the price action formed a bullish guarded pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. And after playing the idea, you can see the price action took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. And after this stellar chart, I posted another chart of ADA or Cardano US dollar chart, and this chart was also based on 2-hour time period chart. And on this chart the price action was forming a bullish bad pattern. Now I'm playing the idea, and after playing this idea you can see the price action went very close to the potential reversal zone but did not hit the potential reversal zone and took the bullish divergence, a very powerful bullish divergence, and hit the sell zone. And after this ADA chart I posted another ATOM US dollar chart, and on this chart the ATOM US dollar formed a bullish cipher, and this was 2-hour chart. Previous chart was 4-hour chart and this is 2-hour chart. And on this chart the price action was entered in the potential reversal zone and took the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone and hit the sell zone. And after this ATOM US dollar chart, I've posted this MTL or metal Bitcoin chart today, but this chart is in process. In next video I'll show you this chart, but this time I'm gonna do analysis on MATIC and PHX or PHB chart. So let's move to the MATIC chart first, and this is the chart, the MATIC chart I posted on 1st of October. And here we can see the price action has formed a bullish band, cause after initial leg the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.50 Fibonacci, and B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci. And after that the C to D leg should be between 0.618 or 786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. I have started my buying zone from 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. Even the price action has completely hit the 0.886 Fibonacci. And after playing the idea, you can see the price action is still moving almost within the potential reversal zone. So you can also enter in this trade cause all the indicators are bullish at this time. Now let's move to the PHX or PHB Bitcoin chart, which I have just posted a few moments ago. And this is my chart of PHB Bitcoin chart, and this is based on 1-hour chart, and here the price action is forming a bullish crab pattern because after initial leg the A to B leg is retraced between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci, and B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. So the final leg should be retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. If I play the idea, then we can observe that the price action is still moving down, and soon it will be entered in the potential reversal zone, and it will give us the chance to catch it from the potential reversal zone. I've set my sell targets from 0.382 up to 0.886, the AD Fibonacci projection. So this is very powerful trade because more than 2,000 Bitcoins are invested only on the Binance exchange. If you see on the Binance exchange, more than 2,000 Bitcoins are invested in the trading volume of PHB Bitcoin, which is former PHX chart. This is really very strong trade because the pattern is very strong, and more than 2,000 Bitcoins only on Binance exchange are invested in the trading volume of PHX Bitcoin. So the PHB has caught the attention of the traders, and most of the cryptocurrency traders are interested to trade in this coin. So I don't think so we should miss this trade. If any one of you don't have the account on Binance exchange, because that is very good exchange having very vast and largest trading volume of almost every cryptocurrency, so I am sharing the Binance link in my video's description. You can just click on that link and create your account on the Binance and start your trading on Binance. And I'm also sharing the link of Tradingview because I'm sharing my all charts on the Tradingview. You just need to click on that link, and after when you will be on the Tradingview, you just need to select this option, that people option from this drop down list. And after selecting this people option, you just need to write on 333 in this search box, because this is my username. Then you will find my link. After clicking on this link, you can have my all charts on your screen, and you can follow my any chart from here. And if you want to search any specific chart, you can just write here in the search bar the chart's name. For example, if you want to search the ZRX Bitcoin chart, then you can write ZRX Bitcoin and select the ZRX from the drop down list. Then my all ZRX Bitcoin charts will be before you. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Take care. Goodbye.